Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel. Sony has introduced an updated PlayStation Plus subscription. The launch will begin from June 2022 in selected countries. Several traffics are available, prices for the United States market. PlayStation Plus Essential $10 per month or $60 per year. PlayStation Plus Extra $15 per month and $100 per year. PlayStation Plus Premium $18 per month and $120 per year. The Essential subscription gives you access to all the features of the old PS Plus: online multiplayer, cloud saves, special discounts, and several games per month. Extra: all the same benefits of Essential plus a catalog of 400 PS4 and PS5 games. In June, God of War, Marvel Spider-Man, Miles Morales, Mortal Kombat 11, Death Stranding, and Returnal will appear in the library. Premium membership: everything from the Extra membership plus an additional 340 games that have been released on PS, PS2, PS3, and PSP. Premium users will also have access to cloud-based PS Plus Extra games for streaming on PS4, PS5, and PC. The features will be available in regions where PS Now is already available. In countries where PS Now is not available, a PS Plus Deluxe subscription will be offered at a lower price. All games from the catalog can be downloaded to the console. In June, the service is planned to be launched in Asia and then in the United States and Europe. By the end of the semester, Sony intends to transfer all regions to a new subscription. That's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!